Okay, so this is her uncovered. Tell me how f***ing bad I made a choice here. So this is turned. This is the chain that snapped. I'm guessing these are grenade pins, so I just put this pin in here and I can collapse this back. So I'm about to undo this chain and then take the head off. I'm guessing that I have to take the cams out to take the head off. Alright, let's see what this one looks like. I'm guessing that that's normal. Okay, so I'm pretty new to coyotes, but this seems like probably worst case scenario. Jordan, please tell me this can be machined out. Hey, so I just texted modular head shop, but also there's something going on with this engine. Now I'm kind of pissed. This is missing. I found this laying down in there, so that's probably what failed. So the bottom one, the exhaust cam, looks great. The intake cam is fucked. This is all that's left of the rocker that was supposed to be there. It's gone. It's ate up in the motor. Alright guys, it's really, really, really bad news. This valve's ate up. Worse, this piston is f***ed. Wow. So I just pulled the head on the Boss. The head could be saved. It would be about $1,000 in repair work. But the motor is toast. I'm only looking at $3,000 to $4,000. Don't think so, buddy. How spicy of a setup do you have to crack past the cylinder liner into the oil or cooling jacket on a Boss? Didn't they used to have like flip-in things right there to like for bracing or something? Isn't that an aftermarket part to have a brace like right there in the water jacket?